What is up, guys? Welcome back to another online money mix video, creating freedom, wealth and lifestyle through your online business. So what if I told you guys you could actually make money online by typing names and earn $300 a day just by typing names online? Well, this is what we're going to be talking about in this video, so stay tuned. I've got some really cool things that I'm going to give you guys at the end of the video that can really benefit you in starting to earn an income online. So sorry about the audio, I'm in a very wide open space room. So in this video we're going to be talking about, we're going to be using Squad Help. So Squad Help is basically a branding website that helps companies come up or buy company names, branded names. As you can see, they sell names here. So what basically goes on is they run contests whereby if you participate and come up with some names for a company, for a specific product or type of company, you get paid. So if I go over to contests, so if we check like contests here, let's go to the dashboard. So what this website does is it's all about branding, creating websites. If we go to contests, active contests, then we'll take a look at actually what you expect from this place. And I'm really going to show you, like, really want to give you a highlight of what you're going to expect. This method is exactly how it works, how to get started. And it works anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter if you're in India, if you're in Africa, if you're in the US, if you're in China, if you're in Southern America, Northern America, it doesn't matter. So no money is needed to start. This is all completely free to start for you guys. So even if you have no money, you're just in high school, you're in college, you're looking for an extra income, or you're looking to start making money online, to start maybe helping you with your ads, this is a good place to start. So it's very easy to do, and it's got a high income possibility. So there's a great possibility of you having to earn high income using this method that I'm exactly about to show you guys. So this is Squad Help, and what they do is they run contests. People come over here, big companies, medium companies, even small companies come over here, and they just put out a contest saying we want a brand name, we want a company name, or whatever type of name that they need. So it is all about, it's a company naming website that helps bigger website name companies and businesses. So as you can see, these are some active contests. So we've got 153 contests. This one has 510 entries. So as you can see, a world's #1 music director, find and book music studio, music theaters and music shops and music. So this is what exactly the business is about. So it's about naming a company. So they say they are the UK's #1 online music director, and they want to make it easier for musicians to find, compare and book music services. So one thing that you need to note for you to do this properly and actually make money from it is you need to find contests that have a guaranteed prize. An award is guaranteed for this contest. So you're sure that for whatever input you're going to put in, if you get to win this contest, you're going to make money. So as you can see, some are $100, I've got some at $200 to win, and so on. $100. So here you can, they need an app name, they need a brand name for alcoholic spirits label. So it's a whole bunch of things that you can do. Fresh and agile name for young engineering company, the talender's quest for a name. So all sorts of companies are coming over here. These guys are name for private jet flights. These are offering $300, and as you can see, it's got like 2,246 entries, and it's only 3 days left. So it's all about creativity here. So what you want to do is just come over to squadhelp.com and open up an account. It's free to open, and you get paid via PayPal. So it's not a big deal, it's really easy to get paid. because being paid out via PayPal. So if we come over here, we can look at some of the people that won. So these are the contests. These are people that actually won some of the contests. So this person won $300 on January 2nd, 2020. This here won $200. This guy here, Jordan, won $300. This guy won $150, $150. So there's money to be made, as you can see. So all you have to do is maybe just win 2 to 3 contests every week, and that is how you can get started with this method. But if you want to even take it to the next level, I would actually encourage you guys to go ahead and join the one funnel away challenge, which is about marketing, and you can scale this to 6 figures. There'll be a link in the description of this video to why you can get the one funnel away challenge. It's 30 days digital marketing course. So to make it even actually easier for you guys, so that you guys can go ahead and make money tomorrow or the other day next week using this method, is you want to come over here, and so once you pick a contest, so let's say you pick one brand name, maybe you say clothing or fashion. So you come over to business name generator and just say fashion, and you say generate. So what this app is going to do is it's basically going to generate some free names for you that you can go ahead and basically utilize. So as you can see, it's come up with some really good names that you can use. So it's got Fashion Affinity, Fashion Nava, Fashion Swan, Fashion Void. So all these names, you can come over here and pick one that you think is highly catchy and can be used for a serious business. All you have to do is come over here and pick the contest, and you enter that contest and add in the name and all the details that are required. So what possibility of earning can you get? So let's take a look at this leaderboard right here. This person has earned 59,261. Last month they won 7 contests. This guy here is also one of the big guys that are really earning a good income. He earned $19,244 and he's won 7 contests in the last month. So ranking on Squad Help is ranking 92%. So you can actually see what this guy is basically doing. As you can see, names for sale, he's got names that is selling. So as you can see, it's all about branding and coming up with really good websites that are branded, that have got brand names and really creative names for businesses. Winning portfolio, as you can see, is won this kind of contest for naming websites by actually just going to things like this contest and taking action and taking part. So as you can see, these are some of the names that he's come up with and that have actually won in contests. As you can see, naming contests participated in 1,720 contests, won 41 contests awarded by Squad Help. Entries submitted 35,700. As you can see, you can come over here and check the metrics and you can just go ahead and take part. So if you're really serious about making money online, I would highly encourage you guys to also get this $100 course called the One Funnel Away Challenge, which teaches you how to create a business in 30 days by using funnels. This is taught by multi-millionaire marketers, affiliate marketers, and so just $100 for this course. So the next course starts in 7 days, 2 hours and 20 minutes. So you guys can go ahead and take this challenge. It's only $100 and the value that you get is limitless. As you can see, this total value is coming to 3,156, but it's going for only $100. So you can come over here and I'll leave a link in the description of this video to where you can sign up, and I can hook you up with some really amazing bonuses to use for affiliate marketing as well as online businesses. Also, I'll add you to my personal group where I get in touch with people that are interested in making money online and give them direct help. So this is all on this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching.